Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Excel on your new laptop. First, ensure you have your Microsoft 365 subscription details or a valid product key ready. Then, navigate to your Microsoft account online to download the official installer. Once downloaded, simply run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. It's a quick and easy start to getting Excel ready for use. After installation, open Excel for the first time. You'll be prompted to sign in with the Microsoft account associated with your subscription. If you have a product key, you'll enter it here. This step verifies your license and activates the software. The process is usually automatic and takes just a moment, ensuring your Excel is fully functional and ready for all your spreadsheet tasks. Now that Excel is active, let's personalize it. Head to the File menu, then Options, to adjust settings like your default font, size, and color scheme for new workbooks. You can also customize the Quick Access toolbar with your most used commands for faster access. Don't forget to configure Auto Recover settings to save your work every few minutes, protecting against unexpected interruptions. To truly master Excel, consider exploring various add-ins that extend its functionality for specific tasks, from data analysis to financial modeling. Learning essential keyboard shortcuts will significantly speed up your workflow, saving you valuable time on repetitive actions. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to make meal prep a breeze. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall productivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.